Hey y'all, it's me, Miss B, and today we're talking about infinite geometric series. So the sum of an infinite geometric series is if there's a series where r is between -1 and 1, then the sum of the infinite geometric series can be found using this equation right here. So s equals a sub 1 over 1 minus r. So if r is greater than 1 as r is less than -1, then the infinite sum doesn't exist. Okay, so we're going to find the sum of the geometric series. Oh, I don't know what that just did. 20 plus 18 plus 16 over 2, or 16 plus 0.2 plus 14.58. So what it tells us that it's a geometric series, and it tells us that it's infinite. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take each of these values and divide. So I have 18, my a sub 2, sorry, let me start over. So I'm going to take my a sub 2 divided by a sub 1 to get my r value. So 18 divided by 20 gives me r, so 0.9 is equal to r. So then I can plug that into my equation. S is equal to, we don't have a number here because it's infinite. So S equals my a sub 1 over 1 minus 0.9, or 200. So there we go. Okay, so it does have a value. It's kind of tricky because of that, because it goes on forever. So it does have a sum because it is a fraction. Where these infinite sums, if they're not between -1 and 1, then we can't find the value because it's getting too big or too small. All right, so for this one here, I'm going to use the same equation. I've got S equals A1, 1 minus R. A sub 1 over 1 minus r. So this right here, that is my a sub 1. This right here, this is my r. So I can plug it in. -2/5 is between -1 and 1. So we're in the clear there. So then we can just plug it into our equation. A sub 1 over 1 minus r. So we have 3 over, you can just plug that into your calculator, but use parentheses around the bottom. You should get 2.1. All right, looking at this next one here. My a value is an invisible 1. My r value is -5.2. So when I am trying to write out this equation, -5 over 2 is it between -1 and 1? The answer is no, and so the sum of this does not exist. It's going to get way too big or way too small for us to calculate it. So, all right, we'll save these last two for class.